Hi there, thank you for tuning in as this week our fruit litter is now 5 weeks old and the veggies are just a little behind, a few days behind. They are growing beautifully, doing very well. They are, I think, enjoying their daily exposures, their novelty items. It's just something to chew on, something to lick and explore. So that's pretty cool. They're doing really well with their handling exercises as well, getting used to the tugging on of ears, covering of eyes, all the good stuff, making sure that they're going to be ready for whatever comes their way. Also listening to new noises and taking it like a champ. So anyways, I hope you enjoy getting to see these little fruits and veggies and how much they've grown. They're just getting cuter and cuter. It's quite amazing and I love getting to watch them develop. So hopefully you do too. Here you can see an example of the novelty of the day. This day we did cones, so they got to just cruise around, check it out. By the time I started filming, I was a little late and they were a little bit over it, but they made nice chew toys and colorful, fun shapes for them to explore.